Hello everyone, this is Funny. You are watching Funny HS Info. Today I come up with the topic housekeeping at workplaces. In simple thing, housekeeping means only cleaning, but according to rule of industrial safety, housekeeping is not only about cleaning, it is most important part of safety. Good housekeeping reduces chances of accident in worksite. The purpose of housekeeping and cleanliness not only make the organization a safer place to work, but also provide a big boost to the image of the organization. These activities also improve efficiency and productivity, helps in maintaining good control over the process, and assist in maintaining the quality of the product. Let us see some of the poor housekeepings at worksite. Falling objects from height, it can be hit by worker. Slipping floor by oils, greasy water, it can be dangerous for workers. Dirty, flammable waste, toxic waste on worksite can be the reason of fire. Cutting, puncturing or tearing the skin of hands or other parts of the body on projecting nails, wires or steel scraping. Loose or jointed electrical wires and faulty electrical equipments can be big reason of accidents. These are the hazards due to poor housekeeping at worksite. Let us see some of the good housekeeping practices at worksite. Keeping walkways free of debris, cords, cables and storage items. Clean up of oil, water or grease on floors immediately. Disposal of combustibles and flammables properly. Removal of protruding nails and other sharp objects or hammer them flat. And stacking of materials in orderly manner and secure them. What are the benefits of good housekeeping? The benefits of good housekeeping is to reduce the man efforts and easy to flow of materials, help to reduce the risk of fire hazard in workplace, all equipment working with more efficiency by proper maintenance, get free passes for safe movement of workers, prevent injuries due to sharp particles of metallic goods, create good impression to visitors, improve of workers' morale that good for productivity, reduce property damage by improving preventive maintenance, ten basic elements of good housekeeping that need attention are passageways, space or work location, hand and portable tools, lighting, machines or equipment, signs or tags, staircase and storage, stairs, ventilation system and waste disposal. The first one, passageways. Always ensure the passageways are clean and clear, wide enough for traffic movements, well marked on floor lines, free of obstructions and in good condition. Second one, space or work location is sufficient room for individual to work. Third one, hand and portable tools. Ensure that portable tools are stored when in use or not in use. Arrange in proper manner. maintain free of oil and grease, and inspect in a good order. Fourth one, lighting. Adequate, well distributed artificial light and effective use of available daylight. Machines or equipment clean and free of unnecessary materials. Area around machines clear and free of rags, papers, etc. Properly guards provided in good condition. First aid facilities and equipments fully stocked and in clean condition. Fire equipments clearly marked and accessible. Signages. Adequate number of signages to be provided to promote good housekeeping awareness at work locations. Stacking and storage. While stacking or storage of materials, ensure that clear walkways and stocks are stable in condition and secure, well labeled. Stairs, spills, wet spots or any debris should be removed immediately and cleaned up. Ventilation system. Good general ventilation plus local adjust ventilation to remove air contaminants at the workplace. And last one, waste disposal. Adequate number of bins to be provided. Separate and approved containers for oily rags and flammable scraps to be maintained. Let us summarize this session. The main points to remember from this session on good housekeeping are: housekeeping can help prevent injuries and improve productivity. Every worker should play a role in housekeeping, and housekeeping should be an ongoing process, not a one-time practice.